today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a birthday setup or a birthday message on Discord using the bot Mantaro. So before we get started today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment what tutorial I should do next. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna want to go to server settings, go to rules, click on default permission, and click on this create rule. If you already have a rule for the birthday user, just keep it, but if you don't have one, you can make a new rules. Here I already have one, so I'm just gonna use this one. Gonna want to click on this one, display role members separated from online members. Just click it if you want this role to be separated from the member role. Make sure this role is on top of the member role. Click save changes and then click escape. Now you're gonna want to go to the Mantaro bot top TG. I'm going to link it in the description. You're gonna want to click on invite and then wait until it's loading. Add to server. Select the server that you want to add the Mantaro bot to. Click continue. Scroll down and click authorize. Verify yourself. Then when you're done, you're gonna want to go back to the Discord. Then here, as you can see, the Mantaro bot is here, and you can also see it from here. Go to any channel where the bot command. Alright, so when you're done, you're gonna want to click on this symbol, and also this symbol, and click OPTS options, and then birthday enable. And then where do you want the birthday message to be? I'm gonna put new birthdays and also add the rules. Make sure to not leave any spaces, and then just click enter. So this is the bot will give you this message, and just click on yes. Now you're gonna want to write on this OPTS options birthday message set, and then just write the description right here. So here I'm gonna make the message. I'm just gonna speed the video.